Winter often means bad weather, which can call for Superior, Colorado commercial roof repairs. Preparing your commercial roofing system before winter can help reduce risk. Here are some tips to help you prepare your commercial roof for winter. A professional inspection will allow commercial roofing experts to take a look at your roof and determine if there are any weak areas. If you schedule the inspection early, you may be able to arrange for commercial roofing repairs before winter. Clogged gutters are more likely to hold ice dams and put a strain on your commercial roof, so it's important to keep them clear. Snow and ice melt need to be able to drain through the gutters and away from your property. If the gutters are clogged or damaged, they may freeze more easily. Lastly, make sure to check for pests in the Boulder County area. Insects and rodents can cause serious problems with your roof. They tend to nest in roofs as the weather gets colder, so catching them before they can will prevent some of these issues. If you're in need of commercial roof repairs in Superior, Colorado, be sure to contact Worx for a free estimate.